Hey guys, my name is Ankit Desai. I hope you like this video, and if you like this, please subscribe it. Right now we are studying group 14 element of P block, that is carbon family. In carbon family, it's carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead are the member of group 14. Carbon is the 17th most abundant element by mass in the earth crust. In elemental state, it is available as coal, graphite and diamond. Silicon is the second 27.7% by mass most abundant element on the earth crust. Germanium exists only in traces. Tin occur mainly as a cassiterite SnO2 and lead as galena, which is PbS. General properties. As you know that the outer electronic configuration of this element is ns2 np2. The inner core of the electronic configuration of element in this group also differ. For an example, for carbon it is 2s2 2p2, silicon 3s2 3p2, germanium 3d10 4s2 4p2, pb for lead 4d10 5s2 5p2, and for tin it is 4f14 5d10 6s2 6p2. As you know that this all the carbon family group, the last electron goes to the p orbital. Covalent radius, there is a considerable increase in the covalent radius from carbon to silicon. As you know that the 77118, after that you will see there is a from silicon to pb a small increase in radius is observed. After that, this is due to the presence of completely filled d and f orbital in heavier membrane. Ionization enthalpy, in general the ionization energy or enthalpy decreases down the groove. Small increase from silicon to germanium and then slight increase from Sn to Pb is a consequence of poor sharing or poor shielding effect. Electronegativity, due to small size the element of this group are slightly more electronegative than group 13 element. As you know, when we go from left to right in a periodic table, electronegativity increases. The electronegativity values for element from silicon to Pb are almost the same. That is silicon, you see in the table, carbon 2.5, silicon 1.8, germanium 1.8, Sn 1.8 and Pb 1.9. Almost silicon, germanium and tin all have the same electronegativity. After that, physical property. All group 14 members are solid. Carbon, silicon are non-metals, as you know that. Germanium is a metalloid, where tin and lead are soft metal with low melting points. Melting point and boiling point of group 14 elements are much higher than those of corresponding element of group 13. As you know, the melting and boiling point when we go from left to right increases due to the increase in metallic property or due to the increase in non-metallic property. Oxidation state and trend in chemical reactivity. The common oxidation state exhibited by this element are +4 and +2. In heavier member, the tendency to show +2 oxidation state increases when we go from top to bottom. For an example, germanium, tin and lead, the +2 oxidation state is increases. They show more +2 oxidation state. It is due to the inability of ns2 electron of valence shell to participate in bonding pair. As you know that this effect is known as inert pair effect. Reactivity towards oxygen. All member from oxides, mainly two type of oxide, which that is monoxide and dioxide. Formula of monoxide is MO and dioxide is MO2, like CO2, CO. Okay, oxide in higher oxidation state of element are generally more acidic than those in lower oxidation state. For example, higher oxidation state of element are generally more acidic than those in lower oxidation state. The dioxide CO2, SiO2, GO2 are acidic, while SnO2, PbO2 are amphoteric in nature, which means they show both acidic and basic in nature. Chemical properties. The common oxidation state exhibited by this element are +4 and +2, as we see in the previous. It is due to the inability of ns2 electron and valence shell to participate in bonding, which is inert pair effect. The inert pair effect, due to the inert pair effect, the ns2 electron has enabled to participate in the VSEPR, valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, or we can say in the participation of bonding. Reactivity towards water. Carbon, silicon, germanium are not affected by water. Tin decomposes a stem to form dioxide and dihydrogen gas when it react with the water. For an example, Sn plus 2H2O in the presence of heat. When we give some amount of heat, it gives you SnO2, which is dioxide of tin, plus 2H2. Lead is unaffected by water, probably because of a protective oxide film formation. It form a film over the water surface. That's why it is protective nature. Reactivity towards halogen. This element can form halide of formula Mx2 and Mx4. As we know that PbCl2, PbCl2, most of the Mx4 are covalent in nature, because as you know, exception are SnF4 and PbF4, which are ionic in nature. There is an exception of two. You have to memorize this: SnF4, PbF4. Stability of dihalide increases down the group. When we go from top to bottom, stability of dihalide increases. Except CCl4, other tetrahalide are easily hydrolyzed by water, as you know, due to the presence of lone pair of electron on the central metal atom. Example, SiCl4 undergoes hydrolysis initially, accepting a lone pair of electron from water molecule in d orbital of silicon, finally leading to the formation of SiOH whole 4, which is known as salicylic acid. So it is easily hydrolyzed. So only CCl4 is exception, where it can't hydrolyze or not easily hydrolyze, but other SiCl4, PbCl4 and other elements of group 14 are easily hydrolyzed and form acidic in nature. Important trends and anomalous behavior of carbon. Maximum covalence is 4, because as you know that the only s and p orbital, other have d orbital, hence can expand their covalency. Carbon has a unique ability to form p-pi multiple bond with itself and with other atom of small size and high electronegativity. For example, multiple bonding: carbon carbon double bond, carbon carbon triple bond, carbon oxygen double bond, carbon sulfur double bond, carbon nitrogen triple bond. Maximum catenation because of strong CC bond. The more the catenation it will form, more the stronger the bond. Stronger the catenation, stronger the bond. Allotropes of carbon. Carbon exhibit many allotropic form, both crystalline as well as amorphous. Diamond and graphite are two well-known crystalline form of carbon. In 1985, third form of carbon known as fullerene was discovered. We know that bulk minister of fullerene, as we study right now in the course. Allotropes are very important for carbon. Diamond. It has a crystalline lattice. In diamond, each carbon atom undergoes sp3 hybridization. As you know, what is sp3 hybridization, sir? Sir, when a carbon is attached with single bond, when a carbon is attached with a single bond to other four other carbon atom or other any other atom, then it form a sp3 hybridization, or we can say the tetrahedral fashion or tetrahedral structure. The CC bond length, the CC carbon carbon single bond length is 154 picometer. You have to remember this line, 154 picometer. The structural extent in space and produces a rigid three-dimensional network of carbon atom. It is very difficult to break extant covalent bonding. As you know that the covalent bonding is a strong bond which is shared pair of electron bond. Therefore, diamond is the hardest substance on the earth. That's why it form a covalent bond, and carbon carbon single bond has a bond length of 154 picometer. Uses of diamond. It is used as abrasive for sharpening hard tool, in making dies, in the manufacturing of tungsten filament for electric light bulbs, or in jewelry. Graphite, it has a layered structure. Layer are held by van der Waals force. As you know that the van der Waals force are the weak force. Distance between two layers is 340 picometer. Each layer is composed of planar hexagonal ring of carbon atom. Carbon carbon single bond within the layer is 141.5 picometer. As you know, the carbon carbon in diamond is 154 picometer. In graphite is less than that, 141.5 picometer. Each carbon atom is hexagonal spring, undergoes sp2 hybridization, and in diamond it is sp3 hybridization. The electron are delocalized over the sheet. Electron are mobile and therefore graphite conduct electricity along the sheet. That's why graphite conduct electricity, because electron are mobile and therefore graphite conduct electricity. Graphite cleave easily between the layer and therefore it is very soft and slippery. For this reason that it is used as a dry lubricant in machine running at high temperature, and it is used for the lubricant or a dry lubricant in machine running at high temperature. A 6-member ring is fused with 6 or 5-member ring, but a 5-member ring can only fuse with 6-member ring. For an example, a 6-member ring, you know that a 6-member ring is fused with 6-member ring or also 5-member ring, but a 5-member ring can only fuse with 6-member ring. All the carbon atom are equal and then undergo sp2 hybridization. This ball-shaped molecule has 60 vertices and each one is occupied by one carbon atom, and it also contains both single and double bond with CC distance of 143.5 picometer and 138.3 picometer respectively. Uses of carbon. Graphite is used for electrodes in battery and industrial electrolysis. Being highly porous, activated charcoal is used in absorbing poison gases. Carbon black is used as a black pigment in black ink and as a filler in automobile tires. Coke is used as a fuel and largely as a reducing agent in metallurgy. Diamond is a precious stone and used in jewelry. All these uses you have to remember, beta. Some important compounds of carbon and silicon. Oxide of carbon. There are two: monoxide, dioxide. Carbon monoxide, direct oxidation of carbon in limited supply of oxygen or air, yield carbon monoxide. 2C plus O2 gives you 2CO. On a scale or on a small scale, pure carbon monoxide is prepared by dehydration of formic acid. For what is the formula of formic acid? HCOOH plus conc H2SO4 at 373 Kelvin or 100 degrees Celsius give you H2O plus carbon monoxide. One commercial scale, it is prepared by the passing or passage of steam over hot coke. The mixture of CO and H2, carbon monoxide and H2, produces a water gas, or we know also known as the name synthesis gas. C plus H2O at 473 to 1273 Kelvin gives you CO plus H2 water gas. When air is used instead of steam in preparation of water gas, so a mixture of CO plus N2 form, which is known as producer gas. Properties. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless and almost water insoluble gas. It is a powerful reducing agent. This property of carbon monoxide is used in the extraction of many metals from their oxide ore, like ZnO plus CO gives you Zn plus CO2, Fe2O3 plus 3CO, this is the ore of iron, 3CO, heat, 2Fe plus 3CO2. In CO molecule, there is one sigma bond and 2 pi bond between carbon and oxygen. Because of the presence of lone pair of electron, act as a donor and form a metal carbonyl bond. The highly poisonous nature of carbon monoxide arises because of its ability to form a complex X with hemoglobin, as you know, which is about 300 times more stable than the oxyhemoglobin complex. This prevents hemoglobin in the red blood corpuscles from carrying oxygen around the body and ultimately resulting in the death. Properties. It's a colorless and odorless gas. With water it forms carbonic acid H2CO3, which is dibasic and weak acid. Carbon dioxide can be obtained as a solid in the form of dry ice. By allowing the liquefied CO2 to expand rapidly, what are the uses of dry ice? Dry ice is used as a refrigerant for ice cream and frozen food. Gaseous CO2 is extensively used to carbonate soft drinks. Being heavy and non-supporter of combustion, it is used as a fire extinguisher. A substantial amount of CO2 is very beneficial. In CO2 molecules, carbon atom undergo sp hybridization. Two sp hybridized orbital of carbon atom overlap with each other to form two p orbital of oxygen. on one or and make two sigma bonds, while other two electron of carbon atom involving p pi bonding in with oxygen atom. This result in the linear shape, and the bond length will be 115 picometer with no dipole moment. Here you see the diagram also. Silicon dioxide, SiO2. Silicon dioxide, commonly known as silica, occur in generally or several crystallographic form: quartz, cristobalite, trimdite, and some of the crystalline forms of silica, and they are interconvertible at suitable temperature. Silicon dioxide is a covalent three-dimensional network solid in which each silicon atom is covalently bonded in a tetrahedral manner to form or to four oxygen atom. Here you can see each oxygen atom is in turn covalently bonded to another silicon atom as shown in diagram. Silica in its normal form is almost non-reactive because of very high CIO for silicon oxygen bond enthalpy. For an example, when it reacts with sodium hydroxide, it forms SiO2 plus 2NOH gives Na2SiO3 plus H2O, sodium silicate. SiO2 plus 4HF gives you SiO4, tetrafluorosilicate, 2H2 plus 2H2. Uses: quartz is extensively used as a piezoelectric material. It has made possible to develop extremely accurate clock, modern radio and television broadcasting, and mobile radio communication. Silica gel is used as a drying agent and as a support for chromatographic material and catalyst. Kesselgar, an amorphous form of silica, is used in filtration of plant. You have to remember all these uses of quartz. Silicons, they are a group of organosilicon polymer, have R2SiO as a repeating unit. The starting material for the manufacturing of silicon are alkyl or aryl substituted silicon chloride, RnSiCl4-N, where R is alkali or aryl group. Hydrolysis of dimethyl dichlorosilane CS3 whole twice SiCl2 followed by condensation, polymerization yield straight chain of polymer or silicon. Si plus CS3Cl on 280 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius copper gives you methyl trichlorosilane, plus when you add another CS3Cl, it will give one chloro substituted and add one methyl. When you add CS3Cl again, it substituted one chloro and add one CS3. It will go, when the total chlorine is substituted, it will give silicon. It will give silicon or other silanes. Silicates. A large number of silicate minerals exist in nature. Some of the examples are feldspar, zeolite, mica, asbestos. The basic structural unit of silicate is SiO4 4 negative, in which silicon atom is bonded to 4 oxygen atom in tetrahedron manner. In silicate, either the discrete unit is present or a number of such units are joined together via corners by sharing 1 to 2 3 4 oxygen atom per silicate units. The negative charge on the silicate structure is neutralized by positive charge metal ion. If all the four corners are shared with other tetrahedral unit, three-dimensional network is formed. Two important man-made silicate are glass and cement. Those man are made. Okay, these are the man-made silicate. One is glass and other one is cement. You have to remember all these point beta. Okay, so there is an angle between silicon and oxygen trial bond which is 109 degree 28 minute, and the bond angle zeolite. If aluminium atom replace few silicon atom in three-dimensional network of silicon dioxide, overall structure known as alumina silicate acquire a negative charge. Cations such as Na positive, sodium ion, potassium ion, calcium ion balance the negative charge. Examples are feldspar and zeolite.